Alright, so I have dove headfirst into the computer lifestyle, cybersecurity major, got a 4.0 GPA, got a microscopic scholarship, and got a speech impediment that fit right in. So I wanted to share this latest build here. I want to know if I have enough fans. What do you think? So it's a Corsair H100 cooling at R5 5500 overclocked to 4.4 gigahertz and single stick 16 running 3200 1.4 volts. Real stable overclock. Temperature is real low because you can see I got 120s, 140s, and then 120s again. And I mean, you could like float a balloon on this airflow. A lot of CFM, and most importantly, a lot of static pressure evacuating the contents of the upper part of the case. So I also have three 140s on the intake on the front. I have another 140 boosting static pressure onto a RTX 3060 12 gigabyte. And then these are all 120s, and that's stack cooling in the bottom with an 80 millimeter on the card itself. It really helps to lower the hotspot temperature. Hotspot on this GPU get up to like 70, 80 degrees Celsius. With this method, it's like 60. So for running home AI like Mistral, Olama, open source, 13, 15 billion parameters, somewhere around there, with a good overclock, it is possible. 12 gigabytes VRAM, 16 gigabytes, 3200 DDR4. Gonna show in the next video of it running the AI here in a few days. I'm also building my RX 9700 XT onto 5700 X3D for the ultimate DDR4 AMD build. The ultimate AM4 platform build is in the works. I got everything in the case, and this video tonight would have been about that, but I bought a Corsair RM1000E off eBay, and it only came with the 12-pin connectors for the RTX 40 series. So I've got Corsair Type 4 cables ordered from Corsair. Next video will be about that build also. So let me know what you think. Do I have enough cooling? I think this should be sufficient.